To find Apple Pay NFC payments, start by checking if your device is compatible with Apple Pay. This includes iPhone 6 and later models, Apple Watch, iPad Air 2 and later, and Macs with Touch ID. Next, make sure your device has the latest version of iOS, watchOS, or macOS. To set up Apple Pay, open the Wallet app on your device and follow the prompts to add a credit or debit card. You can do this by taking a photo of your card or entering the card details manually. Once you have added a card, you can start using Apple Pay to make payments. To find merchants that accept Apple Pay, look for the Apple Pay logo or the contactless payment symbol at the checkout counter. You can also use the Maps app on your device to search for nearby businesses that accept Apple Pay. Many major retailers, restaurants, and stores now accept Apple Pay, including grocery stores, pharmacies, and gas stations. You can also use Apple Pay to make online payments and in-app purchases. To do this, look for the Apple Pay button on the merchant's website or in their app. Simply tap the button and follow the prompts to complete the payment. When using Apple Pay, make sure to hold your device close to the contactless reader and wait for the confirmation beep or vibration. You can also use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to authenticate the payment. In addition to using Apple Pay in stores and online, you can also use it to make payments at transit systems, such as subways and buses, and at vending machines. Many public transportation systems now accept Apple Pay, making it easy to pay your fare without needing to carry cash or a separate transit card. Overall, Apple Pay is a convenient and secure way to make payments, and it is widely accepted at many merchants and online retailers. By following these steps and looking for the Apple Pay logo, you can start using Apple Pay to make payments and take advantage of its many benefits.